केही क्षणमा अथवा केही बेरमा in a while म केही बेरमा फर्कनेछु I'll be back in a while I'll be back in a while अर्को पनि वाक्य हेरौं म केही क्षणमा तिमीलाई फोन गर्नेछु I'll call you in a while I'll call you in a while Call भनेको फोन गर्नु बोलाउनु दुईटै हुन्छ यहाँ चाहिँ फोन गर्ने अर्थमा हामीले लगायौं I'll call you in a while अब यो अर्कोमा जाउँ त केही समयको अथवा बेरको लागि for a while मलाई केही बेर सोच्न देऊ Let me think for a while Let me think for a while तिमीले मलाई केही बेरको लागि डरायौ You scared me for a while You scared me for a while के तपाई मलाई केही समयको लागि आफ्नो मोबाइल दिन सक्नुहुन्छ Can you give me your mobile phone for a while Can you give me your mobile phone for a while तपाई हेरिरहनु भएको छ हाम्रो इंग्लिश गुरु YouTube च्यानल You are watching Hamro English Guru YouTube च्यानल आजको भिडियोमा हामी यसरी नै सारै महत्त्वपूर्ण अंग्रेजीका वाक्यहरूको अभ्यास गर्नेछौं After a while केही समयपछि अथवा केही बेरपछि केही बेरपछि मलाई अल्छी लाग्यो र निस्किए After a while I got bored and left After a while I got bored and left Bored भनेको अल्छी लाग्नु हो After a while I got bored and left केही समयपछि म उसलाई मन पराउन थाले After a while I got to like him अथवा I started to like him After a while I got to like him केही समयपछि उनी निस्किन् After a while she left After a while she left अब यो हेरौं त समय समयमा अथवा कहिलेकाहीँ once in a while धेरै पटक चाहिँ होइन भन्न खोजेको सबैले समय समयमा गल्ती गर्छन् Everybody makes a mistake once in a while Everybody makes a mistake once in a while. अर्को पनि वाक्य हेरौं यसैको हामी कहिलेकाहीँ खाना खानको लागि भेट्छौं We meet for lunch once in a while. We meet for lunch once in a while. अझै केही वाक्यहरू हेरौं कहिलेकाहीँ हामी रेस्टुरेन्ट जान्छौं तर प्राय चाहिँ हामी घरमै खान्छौं Once in a while we go to a restaurant but usually we eat at home म एकचोटी फेरि दोहोर्याउने छु यो अलि बिस्तारै Once in a while we go to a restaurant but usually we eat at home restaurant होइन restaurant 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 र usually भनेको चाहिँ प्राय जसो. Once in a while, we go to a restaurant, but usually we eat at home. म समय-समयमा केही चिन्तित हुने गर्छु. I get a little anxious once in a while. I get a little anxious once in a while. anxious, anxious. यसको अर्थ यहाँ चिन्तित. I get a little anxious once in a while. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, Hamro English Guru and Hamro Online Class if you haven't subscribed already. दुईटै च्यानलको सब्स्क्राइबको छेउमा भएको घण्टीलाई पनि बजाउन अवश्य नछुटाउनुहोला. यस्तै सारै महत्त्वपूर्ण भिडियोहरू कहिले पनि नछुटाउनको लागि. यो हेरौं त बाहिरतिर एकदमै प्रयोग हुने वर्ड हो यो. Damn, हत्तेरी अथवा हत्तेरीका. हत्तेरीका, मैले पर्स हराएँ. Damn, I lost my purse. Damn, I lost my purse. हत्तेरी, म फेरि ढिलो भएँ. Damn, I got late again. Damn, I got late again. खासमा यो damn शब्दको अरू पनि विभिन्न अर्थहरू छन्. यो इन्टरनेटमा पनि धेरै प्रयोग हुन्छ, त्यसको छुट्टै अर्थ हुन्छ. तर हामीले अहिले सिकेको र सबैभन्दा बढी प्रयोग हुने अर्थ चाहिँ यही हत्तेरी अथवा हत्तेरीका हो. Damn, I got late again. कहिलेकाहीँ. Sometimes. Sometimes words hurt more than swords. कहिलेकाहीँ शब्दले तरबारले भन्दा बढी चोट दिन्छ. Sometimes words hurt more than swords. अर्को पनि हेरौं. कहिलेकाहीँ चुप लाग्नु नै उत्तम हुन्छ. Sometimes it is best to remain silent. Sometimes it is best to remain silent. म बाजी ठोक्छु. I bet. म बाजी ठोक्छु कि छिटै वर्षा हुनेछ. I bet it will rain soon. I bet it will rain soon. म बाजी ठोक्छु कि ऊ ढिलो आइपुग्नेछ. I bet he will arrive late. I bet he will arrive late. एकैछिनमा अथवा क्षणभरमै. In no time. हामी एकैछिनमा त्यहाँ हुनेछौं. We'll be there in no time. We'll be there in no time. ऊ एकैछिनमा त्यहाँबाट भाग्यो. He ran away from there in no time. He ran away from there in no time. रिसले रिसाएर अथवा रिसाउँदै. In anger. उनी रिसले चिच्याइन्. She screamed in anger. She screamed in anger. अर्को पनि हेरौं. उनी त्यहाँबाट रिसाउँदै गइन्. She went away from there in anger. She went away from there in anger. ढिलो वा चाँडो, sooner or later. ढिलो वा चाँडो उसले मेरो कुरा सुन्नेछ. He will listen to me sooner or later. He will listen to me sooner or later. ढिलो वा चाँडो म आउनेछु. I will come sooner or later. I will come sooner or later. यदि त्यसो हो भने, if so, यदि त्यसो हो भने समस्या छैन. If so, there is no problem. If so, there is no problem. यदि त्यसो हो भने मलाई फेरि फोन नगर. If so, don't call me again. If so, don't call me again. यदि त्यसो हो भने उसँग कुरा नगर. If so, don't talk to him. If so, don't talk to him. Never mind. चिन्ता नलिऊ, केही छैन, केही फरक पर्दैन अथवा ध्यानै नदेऊ. उसलाई ध्यानै नदेऊ, उ गम्भीर छैन. Never mind him, he is not serious. Never mind him, he is not serious. ए ठिक छ, केही फरक पर्दैन. Oh well, never mind. Oh well, never mind. अरु के? What else? तिमीले अरु के देख्यौ? What else did you see? What else did you see? उसले अरु के भन्यो? What else did he say? What else did he say? अरु को भन्न चाहिँ who else? त्यहाँ अरु को बस्छ? Who else lives there? Who else lives there? यो अरु कोसँग छ? Who else has this? Who else has this? बाहेक, बाट अथवा अलग. Apart from. यस बाहेक मलाई केही थाहा छैन. Apart from this, I don't know anything. Apart from this, I don't know anything. म बाहेक कसैलाई थाहा छैन. No one knows apart from me. No one knows apart from me. र आजको भिडियोलाई यति नै. This much for the video. राम्ररी बस्नुहोला. Take care. Also, be sure to like and share this video. Have a good day.